Hello, my name is Ted and this is Jeff. We are here with Barely Handy working on our deck again. We have the concrete footers, we have the base done. Today we are going to be putting in the cross members for the deck itself, getting the hangers drilled, measured, and installed. Anything else we got going on? Well, Jeff, you want the base supporting the wood, so this needs to be
sitting in the wood, yes or no?
And this should be lined up.
The top should be lined up with this top.
And then use that, center it, make sure it's level with the leveler, and then we'll drill it in place. Here, hand me the yellow chair and get me the, I need the drill, Jeff. What? To drill the holes.
No, hammer.
Hammer?
Yes.
You threw two?
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
That's why do you think Steve had so many bent nails? Why do you think I got a new hammer?
So this is our first time ever doing any type of framing or any woodwork like this at all, and it took us a fair amount of time to find a method of putting the hangers on the framing that worked for us. We started off with a pretty poor method and we went to a better method, and then after we completely finished, I learned the best method of installing hangers and rafters and stuff like that. So make sure when you guys are doing something new to do plenty of research and find what will best work for your application of what you're doing. But you'll see us go through some trials and tribulations here of learning the best way for us to install these hangers for the rafters.
Lift it up straight up now.
It's also at an angle. It needs to drop in straight down. Perfectly cut.
It's off by like half an inch or so.
Again, if
Gosh,
it dropped in, it's coming in at an angle there.
I was trying to see if I can just...
It's got to come in straight down.
Straight down, down.
There it is. See? Perfect fit.
Push all the way down?
Yes.
Uh,
It's a piece of wood, Josh.
Tap with the hammer.
I got a hammer fist.
And it's too far down.
And, yeah, I was saying.
Come up. But we can pop the hanger out and then put it in place.
Yeah, now it's perfectly level except for my side dropped again.
All right. Well, why don't we make this level? Put the hanger and
Yes.
tack in place. Every time I sit in fart,
That's weird.
it's the air escaping between my cheeks.
Probably.
All right. Push this up until it is leveled and squeezed. And
What's her doing?
Hey, there's another screw here.
yep, so that garbage, bucket of nails. Put this precariously down. Double check it's level again, Josh.
Yeah. It hasn't been.
That's a good hammer.
Oh my god. Nailed
Put it on the ground, Josh.
Sorry, did I hit you?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
squares.
It's good.
Another nail, Josh.
It's just open to keep it open.
Yeah, no, I should have.
And then put it down on the ground.
Here, I'll squeeze it. You hit
Is
this.
this good right here?
Yeah.
It's still good, still level. Oh, I put. not film that, man. That is shitty work.
Hey.
The nail is trying to slip me.
Oh.
You can cut, Josh.
Keep rolling.
I'm hammering up. I'm trying to hammer up. Straight back up.
Josh got a real good close up on me hammering a nail head to Swiss cheese 1,000 times. The nail head disintegrated. You can tell where I was, Jeff, by the way that it looks. Need more nails, Jeff?
I need to rest my wrist.
Break.
Tunnel's activated.
This is it?
Yeah.
And it's just like this at the angle? Yep. Okay. And they're supposed to stick out like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that was easy.
Yeah, it just sucks the board in. Alright, so if you have a board that's twisted like this one, you can put it's a simple trick. You just put a screw in the top, grab a hammer, and then you can twist it straight. It's pretty much a two-person job, but...
We're all over the top.
You can have to use the level. Use the level to make sure it's flat. Make sure the top is flush. Flush.
Okay.
Alright. Tack it in place. Just tack it.
Oh.
I can't hold it forever, that's why I say just tack it.
Oh, God.
Teddy didn't tack it at all.
It did, and it popped out. It pushed it out.
Jesus Christ. Alright, check the level again.
You want to squeeze it in place, and I'll do the tack. Hold one side from the. Hold this from the bottom if you can from underneath.
That's impossible.
Here, I can do it. You can let go of this.
Why don't you just hammer the nail in?
Fine.
Action.
You can move that. Move that again.
Make sure you lean.
Lizard.
Hey, stop.
Lizard.
Sorry. I was just too focused on getting the shot.
Just make sure you don't see this gap right here.
Literally, you're filming my wrist.
Wider angle, Josh. Now come from this angle, Josh. You can point the camera like this. Alright, that's good.
Yeah, fine.
Josh, grab another board.
We get all the boards and put them on.
You
here.
could. You can get as many as we just line them up. Here, I was thinking we could put the ends down and then go back over the top.
If you get space or you're good. We're just gonna lay a few right here.
Yeah. There are
are some boards that are shorter than the others, so be careful because those are for the stairs.
Oh, well, I was just grabbing, so I don't know.
Yes, I know. Everything, take the boards off. Why? You gotta put the tape on.
There you go.
Yes.
You don't need it.
Jeff
Yes.
wants tape.
We're putting the tape on.
Unscrew everything. Jeff forgot it. He didn't have a game
I
plan.
did say that was the first thing we have to do.
And you forgot it instantly.
Alright, you were gonna start drilling.
We're not. We can just skip the edge because at least it's by the house, so
No, it's not.
it's probably worse.
Good. I'm not unsure.
Jeff, I'll help you get in there and unscrew it.
All right, fine. I was literally just stuck on it. Even though I already said it was the first thing we have to do.
We're not putting it on the ground?
This is our practice deck. We gotta learn.
You can also show this in reverse order.
A bit up Teddy's asshole and relieve his pressure.
I would have said something about tape, but I didn't even think about
Where the
that.
hell did my bit go?
Josh
it's right
actually
there.
knew you were doing the wrong thing, but because of
I'll
you know.
show you.
No, we don't need to take it off.
No, Eddie.
There's flashing underneath this edge. It's fine.
Josh, how do you chair?
All right. Jeff, in the future, delete that clip. It never happened.
Giant piece of fucking
Add new torch for Teddy to the budget.
God damn it, Steve, you said 3 on it.
World's longest receipt. Someone just was at CVS.
Hey, why the same shirt I did
I've always worn the same shirt for continuity.
So are you.
No, I'm wearing a different shirt.
I'm not wearing the blue shorts though.
Yeah. Well, I'm not wearing hockey pads.
Oh.
All right. Put all the boards back on.
Eddie, go inside. We don't want you here.
Josh, do you want me to make your spaghetti and just leave?
You were here.